Backtesting every day on so profitable day. 455. Thought there was like a new feature. Oh yeah, here. Yeah, this... %28% run rate, but then my profit would be the most. This is so cool to look at. Wow. So it says me, in this it says I have to go for 5 RR. That'll be the most profitable. Oh no. Wait, what? .1 RR gives me best results. I think this is incorrect. I think it should have meant 5, I think, because yeah, most profit. This would how many trades is this? Or that's just the trades I've taken. Yeah, I want to check it there and then also here. Like this, what I'm actually backtesting. These are all the trades I took. Wait, what? Yeah, here, same thing. Oh. Interesting. Here it says I should go for a 5 RR as well. Wow. Actually gave me so much more. Damn. Interesting. Let me check another year. Let me check 2020. .5 RR. Wow. I'll be winning one trade out of every 4 trades, so I would be losing a lot. But I would literally double the money that I'm getting there. So 4.5 RR, so close to 5 again. Damn, what? Here tells me to go to 4 RR. There's definitely like something left on the table, like with like how much there's left, or like how much I could go for. Very, very interesting. For RR, or oh no, this is the same law. Oh, here it's best to just go for 1.25 R. There's a big difference. That's a big difference. If I would have gone for 4-hour trades, I would have had 50% less, but then with all the other things, I would have had yeah, double, so 100% more in all the other years. But this is very interesting to look at. Let's see, even like below here, like 2024, this with my other, let's go for more RR here. Here as well, it says I should go for 5 RR, which is crazy. Win rate would be so much lower, but win rate would be, I would win once every 4 trades, which is crazy. But the profit is just 6 times more than here, than what I'm doing. Oh no, what I did here. So for the 2.1 R, so it's that double, so 100% more. Wow, that's very interesting. I'm going to continue with this. With like, bro, it's really interesting actually. But it also doesn't really look at like what times the trade would still go on for. Because if I had that, then like for example, here, if I had a 4.5 trade, normally I'm going then for like 1.25 R, okay? It calculates every trade that I take then for, I hold it for 4.5 RR. And then eventually, like out of all that, it would have been hit then, and then yeah, the profit is the profit that I'm getting from that. But I think they calculated that I hold the trade for as long as either stop loss or TP is hit. Out of all the trades. So with prop firms, you can't really do that. You can't hold overnight, can't hold during weekends, and I think it calculates that here as well, which is, yeah, if they could add that into there, like how long you would be holding that the trades for, that would be crazy. Like they would have to do so much, but that would be very nice. That would be everything really. Then I could really see, like, yeah, if I was trading just like a live account, then this is already, but then it would be even more interesting. Okay, let's go. I'll do 40 minutes again today. 12th of February. Oh yeah, I was backtesting the Trump speaking. I don't think I took anything here. 12th of February, I can check. No, I didn't take a trade there. Okay, fine. Check Thursday now. Trump speaking, we have normal news. Okay, let's see. GG, yo. Why did GG? Let's see. Still holding bullish. I prefer bullish as well, even though we have those very clean looking lows. Yo, what's up, man? How you doing? Danny. I did close below here. I would say bullish because delivering from bullish here. But we do have to have these clean lows here still. But yeah, then zooming into price action, price structure. This is buy side. This is already taken, but then still, like, these are pretty clean looking highs. Oh no, it didn't take. It's still there, didn't get taken. Where you should learn trading? On YouTube, man. Are you learning to know how to trade as well, or just starting out, or starting to see progress? Yeah, man. Yeah, for sure, 100%. Yeah, I'm just trying to stay consistent with it, because not only am I just trying to improve and tweak my strategy, I'm also getting so much, like, building so much discipline from this, like, doing it every day. Like, doing this consistent will then build my discipline, which of course would benefit in the market itself as well. Like, not breaking any rules, like over trading or anything stupid. That's also a big reason why I'm still doing it. Yeah, I've definitely seen some progress in my journey so far. Still not there, of course. Not at all. Now I need to do my analysis. Just looking at these clean gaps here. We did inverse. Same on ES. I'm still, like, leaning towards bullish because we are delivering bullish now. We do have this. I'd like to see get used as an inversion. Then all these highs are still very clean. We do an SMT with this, but then this high with that high still there. And then right there. Detroit tried to pass funded. Yeah, man. I've passed 4 fundeds total, or 5 fundeds. No, 4 fundeds total, and I've gotten 1 payout out of that. I've gotten it's not too long ago, like a month ago, I got my first ever payout, $1,000, and yeah, man. From now, last week I lost 2 fundeds, like the fund that I got a payout with, that's already 1.5 months ago. 2 weeks, what am I saying? Last week I lost the 2 fundeds that I had. So now I'm back to challenges again, but man, this structure, like, we're not having news at all in the markets, and I trade with news, not during news, but after news. But yeah, this price action is basically dead for me these last weeks, kinda, so it's been very slow now, but yeah, just staying consistent, and then we'll just come again, right? Sorry to hear that. No, yeah, no worries, man. It's not a huge deal. Oh, that's already taken. What made you lose the fundeds? Honestly, pretty unfortunate trading. Just followed all the rules and stuff, but then I had, like, sessions where I was supposed to take a trade. Like, my strategy is very objective. If my setup forms, I have to take it no matter what. It's almost like fully mechanical. But yeah, a lot of the times I just barely miss my setup, and then taking an accidental setup which wasn't even my setup, just stupid stuff, which I didn't even break the rules. But yeah, eventually that led me to losing the account, and then yeah, unfortunate, but yeah. And price action been pretty slow for me as well, with, like, the government shutdown. But yeah, part of the game, 100%, man. Yeah. Okay, now we took this high. Do have an SMT there. But right now when I'm backtesting, like, first time in, like, I don't know how long, but now I'm trading a bit more, like, off experience. I'm calling this session, like, freestyling session something. Because I'm still trading my entry model, which is IVGs. But I'm going for a bit more RR, and then really going for equal highs, equal lows, all that liquidity wise. But this was basically my strategy. Some sort of equal lows taken. And then most of the time I'm going break even here. I'm trying to catch this leg higher. But it could also be that we don't even want to go higher, but then at least we take this high as like a sweep, and then we go lower, but then I'm already like break even. That's what I'm backtesting right now, and yeah. Something new as well, which I know I like. It's not good that that I like doing something new. Because yeah, so just stay consistent. But yeah, I'm just trying to get like data out of this, see what I can get out of this. But yeah, that's what I'm basically backtesting now. What's the prop firm that I used? I used Top Step and my Fund of Futures. Really only those two. And I've gotten the payout with my Fund of Futures. Nothing here. I don't really like to use Top Step anymore because the activation fee, it's just ridiculous. Nothing here at all. This could be something around here. A drop would be nice now. 1122. Nothing here. Oh. PM. Wow, didn't even take the high. Did you ever try Forex? Kinda, not really. But I'm really like wanting to stay with futures because it's just so easy. Like it's just trading really, and you don't really have to look at like, oh shit, the spreads and all that. Like here it's just very simple. You just enter where you want to be entered, and yeah, like all the extras are not there. And I think it's later in time I do want to go to Forex as well for like the prop firms and all that there, CFDs, but for now, yeah, it's really not necessary because I first have to like master then the futures prop firms, try to get fully allocated with those, and then from there switch and add if I could. Could be something around here if we sweep this low. Have to wait a bit more. Damn, what? 1320. Oh, this is when he's coming on. No, 136 actually. Okay, waiting a bit more because he's about to speak. But also you don't really see when. But it's last. It says 136, but did he actually come on 136? Kind of hard to trade this. Waiting. Honestly, it kind of looks good to enter off here. I would go break even at the equal highs, so never mind, nothing here. Waiting a bit more. There, beautiful. It's looking too long around here, but just didn't form a setup. And now, if this was an entry, I don't even know. But then it would have been break even anyway. So it's nice. Yo, Georgie, how you doing, man? You have a Discord? I do, yeah. It's in the description. You could join if you want. It's pretty active community and so many people, man. Where you can learn from, where you can ask questions to, from, at. What's the word? But yeah, man, I love the Discord. Wait, what's this high now? It's still there. What is this? Oh. Okay, let me see. So zooming in, we have already taken this high on ES. Probably it's going to be a day without any trade. There's this gap here as well, but I'm just really looking at the structure. It doesn't really matter 1 minute, 2 minutes, just looking at the structure in here. Nothing here. Wow, very clean price action, but just no entries for me at all today. I was looking for a long, but nothing unfortunately. Going to Friday now. Trump speaking again. Retail sales, so normal news again. Let's go. Okay, so it's looking nice bullish. It's like a little mosquito in here. Shit. This all-time highs. Yeah, this is a nice little drawn liquidity. And then that's already taken. Here all-time highs as well. So I'm just looking for longs because we're still bullish. What do we have in this range though? Yeah, you do have this 3 hour, it did close below, but then ES probably has this gap where it is in. Zoom in again in the structure. I'm really trading by this rule or rule quote. I don't really know how to call it, but it is like before you go higher, we must go lower. Before you go lower, it must go higher. As like there has to be some sort of manipulation at least, and then in the form of equal lows, equal highs. Doesn't always have to be like if you're delivering off of here, and they were really taking like equal lows, equal highs. We didn't really hear. Like before going in the session, like here, then I guess, yeah, zooming in, yeah, here we did take equal lows very clean and then pushing higher, like something like this. It's just perfect. Look at this example, like instant, heavy, big move here, try to scare people away, I guess. Like still very nice to short, of course, but and this is the actual move. It's on a 50-minute. I'm not trading this this time frame, but like same thing on like a 1-2 minute chart. It's kind of what I'm looking for. It's just so clean. And then doing the same thing here as well. Marking out this high. And then really zooming in here again. So before we go higher, we must go lower. And we're really seeing like clean liquidity. Oh, there it is again. Lost it. Not really, like in the form of trend line as well, it could be. Kind of see like a little trend line here, but it's nothing too crazy with like this low or here as well. So I'm really like waiting for price action to just build. 14th of February, yeah. But I am looking for higher. But then again, before we go higher, I must go lower. So I need to see some sort of manipulation. Here we did take equal lows here that we just built. But ES just climbing higher now, we're going towards this high. It's not the like, oh, that high gets taken, I can't long anymore, but it's this high. So if I was like an IVG in this leg here, then this can be taken already, which ES already did. So I'm waiting. Still get the move up though. Let's see. We're trading lower. It did take like these equal lows, but I'm really looking at this as well, like actual people, like just looking at it like from a human perspective. Is this like the equal lows taken? Where are the actual stop loss? Like probably below here and there. This looks clean here. So if this gets inversed, yeah, here we do get it. But oh, not looking, didn't look at the S. Like this is something. Like look at all that. Wow, that's actually beautiful. This may be looking too good, which is I don't always like that, because then it always wants to stop me out when it is just looking too good, believe it or not. And in this IVG, doesn't matter if this is or this is not taken, like just one tick away from it, literally perfect equalize right there, but it can't be taken. And this is what I'm targeting. This all-time highs. Like I'm going for 1 or 2 hour trades But here I don't even have a target, so this is what I'm targeting then. And yeah, let's see, just waiting. Still in, I'm not going to break even or anything yet, waiting. Oh, what the hell? Okay, let's see if this 1 or 2 would have been hit also. Like this is just something, there's no target. This is basically, this is my drawn liquidity. And 1 or 2, I'm going for 1 or 2 trades, but there's literally nothing more on the left. So once this gets taken, I'm then here in the market and then hoping, literally going off of hope. Of like, please hit my 1 and 2R as well. Which, yeah, I don't like. So yeah, this is just a beautiful trade then. 10.04. 119 RR, it's not a lot, it has to be minimal 1-1, but not every single trade I'm going for is 1-2 then. Like in this freestyling session thingy. With my actual strategy, I'm going for 1-1 RR trades to like 1-2 RR trades, so like a 1.5 R, 1.6 R, like anything between a 1-1 and 1.2. But with the freestyling, I don't know, so far it's going so well, man. Wow. With this backtesting. I'm in a crazy profit. So Trump speaking and retail sales. And then, where is it? President speaking. Not election, no. Here. 8:30, and then that was PM session somewhere. Time entry. 10:04. Man, I can feel my stomach doing crazy things. I think I've drank too much milk. SMT. There was an SMT. It looks very good. RR. Good. Put it down here. Alright, let's see. Now next day, bank holiday, so I'm not trading that. Tuesday, Trump speaking again. And we don't have any news, so that's something interesting what I want to see as well. So now I've taken some nice W's on days where we had the president speaking, but we had also news combined with that. And there was a day where we had Trump speaking as well, but then no news. We only had like medium impact. So same thing here. Trump speaking, but no high impact on this day. So let's see how that performs that day. This Monday I'm not trading because of a bank holiday. I don't know what it is. Let me check. 17th February. President's Day. Okay. Going to Tuesday. Right here at Tuesday. What is my drawn liquidity looking like? Okay, we are going lower. Before we go higher, we must go lower. Or before we go lower, we must go higher. We have a nice little SMT here. Well, we are pushing lower. Still higher time frames technically bullish, like for a year, for example, we're trading then back into this 2-hour BISI. Singular one. And then on ES I'm seeing this 1-hour BISI as well, which we are trading below of. But then like what is looking more obvious in this? It kind of looks like, oh yeah, we took the equal lows here, then maybe we could push back higher. Wait, I thought we had SMT here. Yeah, oh we do, yeah. What? We can push back higher, but then I need to wait for, again, before you go higher, must go lower, like some sort of internal manipulation here as well. We did here already, but I'm thinking then, okay, we go higher, but I need to see something proving it that we want to go higher. Like I can't just randomly go long now. So honestly, I'm not sure what we really want to do. This is a glitch. I would have to go back. candle. Look, now it's fixed. Honestly, could be going lower, could be going higher. I have no idea. Could be both. Looks like yes, does want to head lower though. These look clean, these lows. And then we have this as well in the form of like a trend line. I guess so. I prefer lower, but really waiting, because again, before we can go lower, yeah, I must go higher. So I need to see some sort of manipulation. So here, now we went lower, now we took the equal lows. Didn't take any liquidity, so I'm already thinking like, oh, maybe fake move, I don't know. But still, if it's like still climbing lower, I'm not gonna try and be cool and say, oh, I'm gonna catch the bottom in this leg here, the reversal. So I'm just waiting. Take all lows. We're now in a gap. This really have to be a gap there on NQBR. Let's see what you want to do. Do you want to form some structure here? But yeah, then again, like this is a day without any actual news, so I don't know if it will be forming good. Now we'll get data of this as well. See these equal lows taken now. Not on 2 minute though. Same on the S, those lows taken. Do then have this low, like these are now looking pretty equal. Okay, now we're pushing lower. Yeah, even trading even lower. Looks like ES wants to go for this low now. If we are still bullish, 24 minutes, I want to see this candle like respect this busy. Like I want to see a pretty big move up from here, but otherwise I just want to look for shorts. See what we do. Look, like if you want to go lower, this is about to, or this is looking very clean. This. So let's see, 1 hour candle almost closing. Took these highs now. No, we're still respecting this busy actually. Wow, crazy. So could mean that we, doesn't mean like, oh, we respected, boom, long. Still waiting. Honestly, I'd still prefer lower, but really looking at the structure then, because I am not seeing any clean lows taken here. So I do see an SMT here. That's something actually. Wow. But yeah, like the thing was, I said it, like if we are actually really bullish, then we should get the move here right now. But still, like this SMT, I wouldn't go straight long from there. I would want to see more confirmation, because this is too risky then, I would say. Still played out in some way. 2 minutes. If I'm actually still really bullish, then this would have been a trade. And then I would go break even at some sort of equal highs, which I'm not seeing. Not seeing any equal highs, so I'd go break even and TP at a 1 and 2, 75% off there, and then let it run. That would have been a trade. But now I'm honestly looking for shorts. This is looking very clean. This high taken. Still my kill zone. Not seeing an inversion though. Check on 2 minutes. 3 minutes. Not seeing anything yet. These highs looking clean now. There. These highs as well on ES. See if you get a single gap or a reversal from here. Okay, 2 minutes. Oh, it's outside my kill zone, but let's see. 2 minutes, this outside my kill zone. Outside my kill zone for a reason. Hopefully it's gonna show that. I do think we want to go lower, but this is in lunch. So hopefully in lunch it doesn't give the move. I would be trading from 13 again, so I'll be on a chart here again. We still didn't actually form the move, so that's nice. Do have an internal SMT here again. While still respecting this, look at that. Look at all these wicks. Wow. Still, I'm looking for lower. I'm seeing a lot of liquidity below here on the SN. Do have an SMT there, but I don't know, not really convinced. Still holding this Sibi. I do like this actually. Could be a trade, but I'm not that confident with this. Yo, DRC, how you doing, man? Before you go higher, before we go lower, must go higher. We did that here. But like, are these really like clean highs? Yeah, here I would say so. Not really too sure about this. This is looking clean though. I will take it in here. 134. Let's go break even at clean lows. This is looking very clean actually here. That would be break even, but if it's outside of 1 and 2, yeah, then I'm going break even at 1 and 2, and 75% off there. Like if I could create trades or rank the trades, still got fun accounts. No, unfortunately, man, lost 2 of them last week, so I'm back to challenge again. But also, I haven't really been trading those because of the like not a lot of news. But yeah. Good there, man. I'm doing good as well. And your trading? How's your trading going? Yeah, if I could rank this setup, I would say like a B setup. Like then like A plus, A, B, and this then like a B setup. Like, yeah. I was looking good. What I'm thinking is then like we want to go lower, even though we're still respecting this. Wait, why do I want to see lower? Living off a gap, this is looking bearish obviously. But we are respecting this BISI though, even though we disrespect this on the yes. Yeah, I want to see a B setup. Still if this low. Yeah, it's not really respecting anything, but still. These lows are then looking very clean. Here we are, we've taken the equalize here. Yeah, but still, let's see. Okay. That's a break even and 75% off there. Still played out very nice. Hello, can I go break even? Wait, what? I'm not filled. Why am I not filled? Hello? This is the closure, right? Yeah, it is. Why am I not filled? Let me add the partials in here already. Because that move was crazy. 75% off there. That's crazy, man. That's beautiful. Wow. And then this is what I'm actually targeting. These clean lows. It's not my actual target. Like, I do think I want to go even lower. But then my actual target would be like something here. I don't know where it is on ES. But it's already beautiful. Really depends on like what is looking realistic. Oh my god, man. Yeah, like let's see if these lows ones get taken. Not that I would have targeted that. What the hell, man? Wait, man, just start to turn off Discord so I do not get distracted by other people. Analysis goes way better. I took one break. Nice, man. Exactly, that's what I did in the beginning as well. I hate it so much. Like, still, I'm really trying to like encourage people to share all their losses as well, but still happens that you only see W's somewhere in a Discord, or yeah, I've had that before as well, and it could really mess it up, like mental. Like, man, why am I losing? Everyone is winning. I'm only seeing winning trades. Yeah, it's very annoying. But good, man. Good that you did that. And one break even at W today. Let's go, man. Wow, that's really a banger trade. What? That's crazy. Wow. I do want to write this down. Already 40 minutes. I'll do it after the session. $75% off here. Plus break even. Yeah, it's still outgraded. Like a B setup. Like even though we're still respecting this, I don't even know, like a 4 hour. What even was this? 6 hour. 6 hour. Oh. Oh, 8 hours. Sorry. Wait, I thought it was a 1 hour. Oh, singular 1 hour or singular 8 hour. Oops. Okay, now then doesn't really matter. Like still looked like we wanted to add lower. And this, like this move lower. And then even though we did take these lows, like where are the actual stop losses? Looking at it from a unit perspective, here are the stop losses. Like this entire move. This is basically like a trend line there as well. So even though, yeah, looked bearish, like it could have shown that I wanted to be more bearish. This looked good though. I think we're still respecting this 4-minute Sibi, even though yes, closed a bit above. So NQ was respecting it. But yeah, beautiful, wow. 1306. Legit, I see only people take W's and I'm losing, so I decided to quit looking at. Yeah, man, exactly. That's best thing to do, man. I know exactly what you mean. Do you watch your live streams after you finish them? No. I don't do that. I do look at like, oh, I want to check this, like if I forgot something, but otherwise I have written down or something. So not per se looking back at it the entire stream or something. Yo, Turbo GM. I guess I'll do it. 6. Bro, so far it's this is just crazy, man. This trading. New York. Was there an SMT? Oops. This is so what? Oh my god. No, maybe I should do something with this. GM, you trade today? No, man, no, I did not trade today. I actually thought we had high impact news today. I think we had high impact news today, but because of the, it's a tentative, so oh no, we didn't have any news today. I thought we had news today, but I didn't trade today, and I wasn't even looking at London session. But I was supposed to trade London session, and then tomorrow, Thursday, this changed. Yeah, no news tomorrow, no news on Friday, and next week is shit as well, I think. Oh, how tentative here. Actually not bad. Monday, medium impact, so AM session trading. Yeah, not too bad. Let me journal this trade. Oh, that's why I was going back for it. There was an SMT. You do not have the time, it's 9:55 till 10 AM. Why is that? I have it because I've seen a lot of the times, like 10 AM and 14, so 2 PM, when the 4-hour candle opens. The market kind of just builds a bit more structure before like it wants to form that 10-hour or 10-hour 4-hour candle. And then I enter on like 9:57 in like that macro and before like a 4-hour candle opening. But I've seen a lot of the times that I then enter in that time and then it's a stop loss. Like it first manipulates one more time and then goes lower. So even though we don't have any news at 2 PM or 10 AM, I still wait for that 4-hour candle to form, wait for new structure, manipulation, and then take the entry. I'm on a 6 break-even streak right now on the funded 6 break-even, damn man. So you still can't take any showers. I was up decent for the day and just checked the charts and saw an open position. No way. I don't open order. Is it that you lost anything or? Hopefully we get CPI tomorrow and government opening up in 30 minutes. Here's the vote. Yeah, we'll come back like that. Was there now an SMT? No, there was not an SMT. Okay, that took a long time. 4 or 5 RR. Oh, 4.5. Yeah. Okay. And we had medium impact and president speaking. And he was speaking again in the PM. Bro, it's just crazy. I don't know, man. New 4-hour candle is gonna manipulate if there is no good. Yeah. So I have it then, like anything before, like entry is at 950 or something, I can still enter, then still in that like macro. But 955, I just give it 5 minutes before, because my entries are always like 956 or 957. I don't know. Just remember that. I just remember it that way. Like 956 or 957, always my entries around that time, and then it would have been losses then. So just looked at it that way, and I just said, "Wow, easy. Okay, I just wait for at least a 4-hour candle opening and then trade." Bro, this is just crazy what I've been getting in this this February. This is like the freestyling trading, man. And then this is kind of like the test, but this was like a bit on my phone, half on my phone, half on the PC. Bro, what? I don't know, maybe I need to do something with this. I'm still gonna, like, this encouraged me to backtest this at least, like, I don't know, maybe even a full year. Like, maybe I'll do 2025 until like where we are now, and really try to see how the performance is, because if it's as good as this month as it has been these last few backtesting sessions, then bro, honestly, I have to switch, I guess. What? Just crazy. But yeah, gonna go and end the session here. Turbo and GM, thank you guys for watching, man. I think you guys are only here. Maybe DRSC as well. Have a good night, guys, or a nice day. Right, nice rest of your day. See you next time, guys. Ciao.